I always wanted to drive one of these. What do you think when you see a service truck? Machine down, expensive repairs, or service may get a bad rap. The services in a CAT CVA are much more than just a truck, a technician, and some maintenance kits. CVAs come with a wide range of options. Let's talk about this one, condition monitoring. Now, this isn't your ordinary condition monitoring. This is new. Leveraging global machine data, we can now predict specific component failures before they happen. Take injectors. We can predict when an injector, maybe yours, will fail within 100 hours. That can make a huge difference in maintenance costs and downtime. If you have a CVA, make sure it has condition monitoring. If you don't, you're missing out on all the performance and maintenance benefits with that critical info. With CAT CVAs, maybe this is really a services truck. Give your CAT dealer a call. Ask them about condition monitoring and all the other services you can get with a CVA.